Hello students, welcome back. This is Bhupendra Tiwari and we are going to talk about different type of angles, and this video is applicable for grade 6 chapter 5. Okay, I remember in our last video we understood different type of triangles and the angles formed in those triangles, but now let's try to understand angles explicitly. Okay, let's try to understand what are angles and let's try to understand what are different types of angles. We're not talking about the triangles, it's purely about the angles. Okay, all right, so as you can see in the video over here, the first one is a acute angle. Now acute angle is something wherein the measurement of the angle, say this is point A, this is point O, and this is point B, then we can say that angle AOB or angle BOA is something wherein the angle O has a measurement less than 90 degree. What would be the measure of angle O? It would be something which is less than 90 degree, and hence it is known as acute angle. Right? Now at the same point of time, let's try to understand what is a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is something like this, as you can see in the video. So this is point A, this is point O, and this is point B. Now angle AOB or angle BOA is something wherein the measurement of angle O is greater than 90 degree. If you measure the angle using your protractor, you will find that the angle AOB is something wherein the measurement of angle O is greater than 90 degree. Correct? Moving ahead, let's try to understand what is a right angle. Okay, so right angle is something as shown in the below video, as shown in the below snap of this video, right? So in this snapshot, as you can see that angle AOB or angle BOA are two different line segments which are intersecting at we can say that line segment AO is perpendicular to line segment BO, and angle B is or angle BOA or angle AOB is something which is wherein angle O is forming a right angle of 90 degree. So you can say that right angle is always 90 degree, right? Right angle is always equal to 90 degree. Clear? Moving ahead, let's try to understand what is a reflex angle. A reflex angle is something as shown in this snapshot for the figure AOB, wherein angle AOB, or you can say purely angle O, is greater than 180 degree. If the measurement of angle AOB or angle O is greater than 180 degree, it is known as a reflex angle. Clear? Well, I'm not trying to take up the straight line angle intentionally. I know that you all are aware what is a straight line angle. A straight line angle is a straight line where the measurement is exactly 180 degree, right? So that is the reason. I know that you all are aware. We have already studied this in the class. So I have not taken up the straight line angle. But yes, it is very important for all of us to revise once again this. This is the acute angle wherein the measurement of angle AOB or angle BOA or precisely angle O is less than 90 degree. Moving ahead, the second one was obtuse angle wherein the measurement of angle AOB or angle BOA or precisely angle O is something which is greater than 90 degree, right? At the same point of time, moving ahead with the right angle is something wherein the two lines when become perpendicular to each other, or two line segments bisect each other, or they cross each other, they intersect each other, they form a right angle. So over here we know that AO intersect BO, or AO is perpendicular to BO, and hence angle AOB or angle BOA is forming a right angle over here which is of 90 degree. And at the last one we studied this about the reflex angle, right? The reflex angle is something wherein the measurement of angle AOB or angle BOA or precisely angle O is greater than 180 degree, and it has to be smaller than 360 degree, right? It has to be greater than 180 degrees. If it is a straight line, it would be 180 degree, right? As we know that straight line angle is 180 degree. Over here we have already studied that. So reflex angle is something wherein the measurement of the angle is greater than 180 degree but is smaller than 360 degree. With that, I think we complete our types of angles. Thank you very much. Bye bye.